Hey everyone, today, in this video we are going to learn how to do a cinematic color grading like Wicked in FIlmora. The movie Wicked has a distinct pink and green color palette that emphasizes the contrasting hues of the two main characters. The colors are used to represent the characters and their evolution. The film's color grading was carefully balanced to represent the characters without pushing the audience to a specific emotion. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Let's dive into the FIlmora. First, place your footage onto the timeline. Also, we have a few snapshots of the Wicked movie. Place the snapshot onto the timeline, then select your footage, go to the Color tab, and enable AI Color Palette. Click on Add to create a color palette, then place the color palette playhead onto the reference image, and click on Generate. Now go to the AI Color Palette setting and adjust the strength of palette, and then adjust the Protect Skin Tone. Once you are done, click on Save and Apply, then scroll down and undercolor, adjust the temperature to give a specific mood to your footage, then add a bit of tint, and then add vibrance. As you can see, the Wicked movie colors are less saturated, so we will decrease the saturation. Then under Light, adjust the brightness, adjust the contrast, decrease the highlight, decrease the shadow, and then decrease the white. Then add sharpness to the footage. Then go to the HSL and adjust the red color HSL, orange color HSL, yellow HSL, green HSL, blue and pink HSL. With HSL, you can create a similar skin tone for footage as a Wicked movie. Then go to the curves, add points on highlight, mid-tone and shadow on the alpha curve, adjust the highlight and shadow, and repeat the same process on RGB curves. Finally, go to the color wheel and adjust the highlight, mid-tone, or shadow. Once you are done with the color grading, here is the comparison of before and after. Further, if you want to save this color grading, click on Save as a Custom, give your scheme a name and save it. You will find the saved color scheme in Preset. Also, if you want to enhance it and want to create your color grading, use the Filters tab with tons of filters for all types of videos. Just simply drag and drop onto your footage. Further, you can adjust the filter intensity. That easy to do cinematic color grading in FIlmora 14. Download FIlmora 14 from the link in the description and start creating. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more awesome FIlmora tutorials. See you in the next video.